Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hi, this is Murli Thulam. In this video, let us discuss about one of the important updates. So nowadays organizations started multi-cloud adoption. So also our cloud vendors like AWS and Google, they started collaborating to simplify multi-cloud networking scenarios. So here just see. So to simplify A-related and infra-related challenges, they are going to simplify that. And also just see the two important components they released. AWS they released AWS Interconnect Multi-Cloud. So this is the documentation you can see. AWS Interconnect Multi-Cloud Preview Mode. So this is the one you can see benefits as well as also Google Cloud and other partners also just see them. And similar way, AWS, Google, they launched one more service called Google Cloud Cross Cloud Interconnect. This is the one. Cross Cloud Interconnect, you can see that. Connect to Google Cloud on your terms from anywhere. Right? Different scenarios you can see. So dedicated connectivity, low cost VPN, right? These are all different connectivity options also here they mention. Okay. And these are all options you can see that. And apart from that, so APIs for developers. So here they open APIs also. Just go through this documentation also. You see the API specifications developed for this product are open for the providers and partners to adapt. Okay. So here you can see, just go through this GitHub portal as well for providers and API specifications. And also let us go through one more important point as well. So here AWS mentioned not only with Google, right? They're planning to add collaborate with Microsoft as well. You see here, let us go through this statement also. AWS announced preview of AWS Interconnect Multi-Cloud, providing simple, resilient, high-speed private connection to the other cloud service providers. Starting in preview with Google Cloud as the first launch partner. This is the first one, and now second part is like with Microsoft as well later in 2026. Right? So by saying all these scenarios, multi-cloud is a mandatory one for organizations, enterprise organization. So why? Because just see. So recently we observed so many outages with different cloud vendors. For critical workloads, it's very difficult to maintain with single cloud. So by using multiple clouds, we can mitigate the issues. At least we can reduce the issues as well. So please go to the documentation. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe.